Welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk Today. I'm your host, Your Name, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of GitHub, specifically how it's evolving with the integration of AI. If you're a developer or just someone interested in the tech landscape, this episode is definitely for you. So let's start with a hook. Imagine a world where coding becomes as effortless as having a conversation. Well, thanks to tools like GitHub Copilot, we might just be on the brink of that reality. GitHub Copilot is not just a tool, it's like having a co-pilot on your coding journey, helping you write better code with AI. But how does it actually work? It combines the power of machine learning with the wealth of knowledge hosted on GitHub. By analyzing millions of lines of code, it can suggest context-specific code snippets in real time as you're typing. How wild is that? It's like having an expert coder right beside you, making programming not only more efficient, but, let's be real, a whole lot more enjoyable. Now, you might be wondering, isn't there a risk of security vulnerabilities with such technologies? Absolutely, and that's a valid concern. GitHub is proactively addressing these issues by integrating security features that find and fix vulnerabilities. It's like having a vigilant security guard ensuring that the code you write doesn't have any hidden dangers lurking in it. How reassuring, huh? Speaking of tools, GitHub's integration of automated workflows through actions allows developers to streamline processes. You can automate repetitive tasks and focus on the creative side of coding instead. It's akin to having a personal assistant that handles the mundane while you get to play with the innovative stuff. And let's not forget about the collaborative nature of GitHub. With features like discussions, developers can now engage with their peers outside of just code. This fosters a community and cultivates innovation, because some of the best ideas come from brainstorming with others. But here's a thought-provoking question. As AI continues to develop, will it replace the creative mind behind coding, or will it enhance it? I mean, some might argue that the real artistry of coding is in problem-solving and creativity, attributes that are inherently human. What do you think? And if you're a community advocate or someone who loves to contribute to open source, GitHub Sponsors provides a way to directly fund developers. It's a brilliant initiative that creates a sustainable model for nurturing talent in the open source community. Before we wrap up, let's summarize today's insights. GitHub is not just a platform for hosting code. It's an evolving ecosystem powered by AI that enhances productivity, fosters collaboration, and strengthens security. Whether it's through GitHub Copilot suggesting code snippets or actions automating your workflows, the future of coding is looking bright. Thanks for tuning into Tech Talk today. I hope you enjoyed our deep dive into GitHub and the innovations it brings to developers everywhere. Keep experimenting and exploring, and I'm curious to hear your thoughts on AI in coding. Until next time, keep coding with curiosity.